What's up, everyone? Welcome to episode 3 of Shopify SEO Made Easy. Today we're talking about 404 errors and broken links and how to fix them the easy way. Have you ever clicked a product link in your Shopify store and landed on a 404 page? If this happens to your customers or to Google, it can quietly hurt your SEO and even your sales. So what actually causes this? In Shopify, 404 errors usually happen for a few simple reasons. A product was deleted, a product URL was changed, a page or collection was removed. But Google has already indexed the old link. So when Google crawls it again, Shopify responds, "This page no longer exists," and that's when you get a 404 error. It's not a Google issue, but a missing page issue. Let's look at a common example. Here, this product page works perfectly. But once the product is deleted, the original link no longer exists, and anyone visiting that link will see a 404 page. If Google has already crawled the old URL, or it's still in your sitemap, blog posts, or external websites, that link will continue to lead to a 404. The same thing happens when you change a product URL, and we can see the page turns to 404. Now you might ask, will Google eventually forget about 404s on its own? Yes, but very slowly, and it's not controllable. Google doesn't know if you'll restore the page, so it keeps recrawling again and again. That's why 404 won't disappear automatically. During this time, the error will still show in Google Search Console. To really fix a 404, there's only one rule. That URL must stop returning a 404 status code. Option 1. Recreate the page. If the URL still has value, recreate the page using the same URL. Option 2. Use a 301 redirect. If the page is gone for good, set up a 301 redirect. Redirect it to a related product, a collection, or another relevant page. Now let's use SEOWILL to send visitors to a relevant page and keep 404 errors from bothering your customers. You can choose automatic redirect or creating redirects manually. Let's start with creating a redirect manually. You simply paste the broken link here, then paste the target page. The target can be a similar product, a collection, or your homepage. Here, we'll redirect it to the homepage and save. If you prefer an even easier way, you can turn on autofix. Just set a default target link, enable the option, and SEOWILL handles future broken links automatically. No copy and paste needed. You can also manage broken links in bulk. Select multiple missing pages, apply a redirect, and fix them all at once. If you ever want to remove a redirect, you can simply ignore the link. Just keep in mind that in this case, the 404 page will still exist. As your store grows, broken links will naturally appear again, and that's normal. Regular checks help keep your site clean, user-friendly, and SEO-ready. If you want to manage Shopify SEO without worrying about technical details, SEOWILL makes it simple. You'll find the install link in the description. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos.